Join us for the fourth edition of Empowered Women Who Empower Women, an inspiring gathering where purpose meets power, proudly presented by the Haitian American Chamber of Commerce, Inc. This event brings together visionary women who are leading, building, and creating meaningful change in their communities. Expect an atmosphere filled with inspiration, authentic networking, and powerful conversations led by women who are making the real impact across industries and generations. This is more than an event. It's a celebration of resilience, leadership, and collective empowerment. Come connect, be uplifted, and leave empowered. We can't wait to celebrate you. We look forward to seeing you on March the 14th, 2026 at 6 p.m. at Art Serve of Fort Lauderdale, which is located at 1350 East Sunrise Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 33304.